Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 170 pounds from keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Now, I'm going to do some chicken. Got some chicken thighs here. I'm going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces. We're going to fry this chicken up. So I'm going to finish cutting this up and I will come back to you. So I was just talking away to you all. I cut up my chicken. That's how it looks. It's mostly bite-sized pieces. I put on onion powder, garlic powder, the same things I used on my steak a while ago. I put on Creole seasoning, some no salt, and salt. So now I'm letting the skillet heat up, and I'm using the same skillet that I did the steaks in, so hang on. All right, that is heated up. I'm going to drop in some of this chicken. Just kind of smear it around. Do a couple more pieces. And then, there's a piece in this lid. Get out of there. There we go. I'm going to cover it for about 2-3 minutes. I'll cover it for 3 minutes and I'll come back. Okay. So we're going to stir the chicken up. Ooh, that looks pretty on that side. In a way, it's kind of deglazing the pan, kind of. Get in there. Come on. Lift you. And now, go for another few minutes. Another 3 minutes and we'll come back. All right, I think 6 minutes is long enough for chicken to get done. I'm going to pull this out and put it into something else. Just a second. Okay. After we get these done, both sets, we're going to do a nice little type of Alfredo type sauce. So we'll have chicken and Alfredo. And now I'm going to cook up the second batch of chicken and I'll get back to you. I'm going to add some onions and mushrooms. Let me see how much I'm going to add. Just a second here. 100 grams of mushrooms. Now let's see how much onions we're going to do. Okay, we've got 100 grams of onions and 100 grams of mushrooms. I'm going to saute those up. They're frozen, so I got to saute them up, so it'll take a little time. All right, so I got the mushrooms and onions to where I want them. I'm just going to plop them in here with the chicken. And we're going to deglaze this pan. It has had steak in it, and it's had chicken in it. It's had onions and mushrooms in it. So we are going to deglaze this pan with some 60 grams of Marsala cooking wine. We're going to deglaze it. Get all those flavorful bits out of there. And we've got 60 grams of heavy cream. Whoop. I'm making a mess. We're going to add 60 grams of heavy cream. I'm not trying to make some big something, just a little bit of a light sauce. So 60 grams of heavy cream. So I'm going to let that kind of simmer a little bit. Not for too long, just enough to simmer and kind of bring those flavors together. I don't have a large amount, so I don't feel like I need to add any glucomannan. I mean, it's thinner than what I would want, but I know that it's going to thicken up, you know, in time anyway. And since I'm not making a large amount, if I had a smaller skillet, I would, it would be better. But I'm going to let it simmer for maybe 2-3 minutes, if that. Okay, I feel like that's good enough. I'm going to add the chicken and mushrooms back into the pot. Chicken, onions, and mushrooms. Now see there? I don't have to wash this dish either. Give this some stirs. Just to let all of it get covered by it. Like I said, it's just not a whole lot, but it's enough that it's going to give it some good flavor in every bite. And then I'm going to top it off with some Parmesan. But I'm going to let it kind of sit together. I'm going to turn this down and let it kind of just, I'm going to cover it and just let it kind of simmer a little bit. I'm covering it just so it heats back up all the way. And then, like I said, I'm going to bring it to a simmer. And then just about, I'll do 3 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to top it with Parmesan. I'll give you the macros just a second. Alright, that was 40 grams of Parmesan. So it was, it's going to make 2 servings. 542 calories, 49 protein, 6.6 carbs, and 37.7 grams of fat. So now I'm going to divide this up and put it out into 2 servings. After I stir it up a minute, sorry. In the past, when I've made this, when I wasn't so concerned about calories, I made this with like Laughing Cow cheese wedges, or just like a hunk of cheese. But I knew Parmesan would give it good flavor, and it was light and easy to do. So yeah, so I'm gonna separate this out in 2 servings. Let's take a bite. It looks so good. Still hot. Take the mushrooms, the onions, the cheese, and the chicken. Really, really good flavor. So this is, I don't know, Parmesan chicken, onion, mushroom Alfredo, whatever you want to call it, but it's got really, really good flavor. And even just a hint of a spice from the Creole at the end. It's not like spice at first, but kind of like a follow-up, like, oh, there's a little kick. So yeah, good stuff. All right, bye. Also, as I label this, I've got PCHX, and that's supposed to say Alfredo. So it's Parmesan chicken Alfredo and half of the whole thing. So that's how I label it, because when you get stuff all in your freezer, you don't know what's what. So that's how I label the things that are something different than just plain meat. Okay, bye.